Hey everybody, this is Melvin with TechRain 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you how to protect your cameras on your Galaxy Z Flip 3. So for demonstration purposes, we do have a Galaxy Z Flip 3, and it's in the black, and this is the product that we're going to use to protect the cameras. And this product is by a company called Spigen, and Spigen is known for producing products for your cell phones. And so what's going to protect the cameras on the Z Flip 3 is a glass screen protector. And so the good thing about this, it comes in a pack of 2, and it also has some additional. It has a film protector here, which is there to protect the hinge. And so that's pretty cool. They added 2 glass screen protectors and 2 protective films for the hinge in this particular product. Now this is called a Gloster Optic, and like we said, it's for your Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. Now if you're interested in this, we will leave links for you down in the description area, and you can pick this up off of Amazon. And so if we look at the back of it, some information about it. It says it's easy installation, it has olefolic coating, it's real glass, and it's 9H surface hardness. And so with that being said, let's open it up and see what we have inside. And so what we have inside here, we have a microfiber cloth to clean the cameras itself. We have an instruction card that shows you how to install the screen protector. So we're going to set that there. Be sure to read that closely to see how to install that properly. Also have a couple of dust removal stickers. I'm going to set that there. And this is the film for the hinge protector. And so that's where, the phone bends in half. So you get a piece of film to protect that from getting scratched, and set that there. And what we have here is our glass screen protector. And as you look at it closely, we're going to peel this white piece off, and this whole glass screen protector is going to go against the back of the camera. And then if you look closely there's a couple of tabs that you pull off, additional protection for the camera. So this whole thing will go on there, and then you pull this off so you won't get that messed up too. But you get 2 of these, you get 2 of the films for the hinge to protect it. So let's go ahead and get started on trying to get that all set up. And let's grab the wet wipe real quick. I think I left that in the box. And so here we are. This is your cleaning wipe. I call it a wet wipe. So we're going to peel it real quick and open it up and grab it out of there real quick. So anyway, we're going to grab our phone here, and then we're going to bend that a little bit there so you can see that a little better. And then we're going to clean this area, whole area of the phone where the cameras are, and this piece here. And then we're going to take our microfiber cloth, and we're going to wipe it, buff it down, make sure we get all the wetness off, clean the cameras and this piece here. And then we're going to set these 2 pieces to the side, and then we're going to go over here and grab our dust removal sticker. Now what this is good for, and you're going to dab it like this, is to get any dust that may be left on there or any lint. And then we're going to set that down there. Then we're going to go back and grab our glass screen protector. So what we're going to do, of course, like we said, you have this white piece here, and you just kind of bend it to get that off. And you got those 2 extra tabs over where the cameras are. And so you bend that to get that up, and be careful not to break it. Like we said, it's made of glass. And so we separated that from there. And we're going to just line the cameras up and stick this down like so. So we got that there. And as you can see, it's adhering to the back of the phone here. And we're going to rub it with our microfiber cloth. And then, like I said, you can see those little tabs And we're going to peel those off, hold the screen protector, and peel those off there. Actually, I made a slight mistake. We're going to lift that back up. Those are on the back of that, so we're going to pull that off like that, and then we're going to reapply that. And so those little tabs were actually on the other side of that too. And like I said, we're going to re-adhere that to the back of the phone. And as you see, that's sticking to it still really good. Rub our microfiber cloth. What you would do too is if you had your case, you put your case back on. And I had a clear case just to show you that that doesn't interfere with the camera at all. You just put that there and that snaps right back on. And take the other piece of the case and put it there. And so that worked out really well. And don't forget to, you can put that film on your hinge of the phone. And so that's about it for our video for today. How to protect your cameras on your Galaxy Flip 3. So hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was informative. If so, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the like button, and be sure to share this with your friends and family. And to hit that bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we upload it. So again, this is Melvin Thompson with TechRunner 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.